The Luba Comprehensive School 1987 Alumni Association has hosted a seminar on preventing illicit drug use and cultism for selected secondary schools in Ijeb, Ogun State. Ifeoluwa Ashaolu, who covered the event held at Luba Multipurpose Hall, said the guest lecturer, Professor Abiodun Odushote, urged students to safeguard their lives and futures. He emphasized that illicit drugs use destroys individuals, families, and communities, charges students to reject cultism and make positive impacts in the society. A report.
The 1987 set of Luba Comprehensive School Alumni Association has organized a sensitization seminar on drug abuse and cultism prevention for selected secondary schools in Ijeb, Ogun State. The program held at the Luba Alumni Multipurpose Secretariat Center was aimed at educating students on the dangers and way out of illicit drug use and cult-related activities. The guest lecturer, Professor Abiodun Odushote, a professor of public law at the University of Lagos, emphasized that saving lives is the primary focus of the seminar, stressing that drug abuse can be destructive, consequently leads to physical death.
We need to save their lives. We need to save future. And the bottom line is that we need to put in activities like this to prevent students from being enticed into taking drugs. Because drug destroys, cultism destroys. So all we are doing here is to save lives.
In the same vein, Commissioner of Police Ogun State Police Command Bode Ojajoni, represented by ACP Yusuf Adesoye Wasiu, the Area Commander Nigerian Police Force Ijeb Area Command, alongside ACN Aderemi Badamosi, Area Commander NDLA Ijeb, Area Command represented by ASN Isijalai Emmanuel, jointly advised students to say no to drug abuse and yes to life, focusing on their goals and urge them to listen to their parents and teachers.
My advice to them is to obey all the existing rules and laws, both for the school and society at large. They should shy away from any kind of drugs, any type, especially the so-called scooters.
My advice to the students is that when they see something, they should say something. And they should say no to drug abuse and yes to life.
Organizer of the seminar admonished students to keep in mind everything learnt at the seminar, appreciate guests and other participants.
We just feel that this is the best, apart from what we have been doing, building buildings, building hospitals in the school. We felt that this will actually touch the students' life, and we decided to come up with this for this year program.
My advice to the students is for them to, they have all come. They have had the experts we brought for them to take, from those lectures, and I'm sure the good Lord will assist them in doing so.
The seminar ended with the distribution of certificates, cultural dances, and drama performances, rewarding outstanding students and the group photograph. In Ijeb, Ifeoluwa Ashaolu, NTA News.